Configure amenities and meeting rooms to standardize workspace booking and usage. Resource orchestration begins within the attendance management module, serving as the control center for facility operations. The amenities master maintains a centralized register of physical resources available for enterprise-wide allocation. Opening a resource record surfaces its configuration, context, and inventory alignment. Activating the resource makes it available for downstream scheduling and planning workflows. The process transitions to the category master to establish standardized workspace classifications. These classifications normalize room types to support consistent booking behavior across locations. Category validation enforces structural consistency and governance at scale. The meeting room repository consolidates all defined and configurable spaces within the facility. Selecting a room opens its operational context, including availability and status indicators. Historical booking data is reviewed to ensure informed configuration updates. Core configuration assigns a unique identifier and links the room to its physical location. Capacity rules are automatically applied based on the associated room category. Safety-related amenities are associated to complete compliance-ready room definitions. Complete configuration enables reliable and efficient workspace utilization. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.